baby, here we go.
Guys, we thought we'd just do a quick demo. I know it's not going to be much of a fitting video because it just sticks on, but what people don't realise on the R53 compared to the R56, the boot trim is an absolute nightmare to get off. It's all glue trim, you basically cannot clip it apart, so this solves that problem as it just sticks on. Obviously it looks a bit dull there because it's still got the backing on until we've done it, but as you can see, gloss black boot lid trim, no need for any sort of dismantling or anything, it literally just sticks over the other one with 3M tape there. So we're going to do a bit of a demo now and we'll show you when it's on. Okay, so anything obviously that we're going to stick on, we're just going to alcohol wipe it first, get all the silicone residues off and stuff. So just peeling that tape off. So obviously with these we found if you just tuck over that corner there, follow it around the top, just make sure the others sit the same, and it's just a case of press it down.